Second example in circles. This is very important example. Two tangents TP and TQ drawn to the circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. First write given data. Here given circle with center O and two tangents. They are TP and TQ drawn from an external point T. Okay. Here we need to prove angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. To prove angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. Here we have 4 angles. This is suppose this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, this is angle 4. Okay. PTQ, angle PTQ is nothing but angle 1 equal to 2 times of OPQ equal to 2 times of angle 4. Okay. Proof. See this diagram. Here two tangents drawn from an external point T. We know theorem 10.2. Lengths of a tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. So TP equal to TQ. According to theorem 10.2, lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. So TP equal to TQ. See this diagram. Here we have one triangle PTQ. From triangle PTQ, in triangle PTQ, TP equal to TQ. In triangle two sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. Okay. What are the properties of isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles also equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. TP opposite angle is angle 3. TQ opposite angle is angle 2. So angle 2 equal to angle 3. Reason is angle opposite. Angles opposite equal sides or equal. Next, here OP is the radius of the circle and TP is the tangent of the circle. What is the relation between radius and tangent? Radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. So here angle equal to 90 degrees. Total angle of P equal to 90 degrees. According to theorem, radius and tangent perpendicular to each other through the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to TP. Therefore angle OPT equal to 90 degrees. Angle OPT is nothing but angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 4 equal to 90 degrees. Angle 2 equal to 90 degrees minus angle 4. plus comes to this side, it will become minus. Angle 2 equal to 90 minus 4. Let this is equation 1. From triangle TPQ, sum of the angles in a triangle, angle sum property, sum of the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle 180 degrees. From triangle TPQ, sum of the angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. We know angle 3 equal to angle 2. Angles opposite equal sides equals. Okay, in place of angle 3 we can write angle 2. So equation becomes angle 1 plus angle 2. In place of angle 3 we can write angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. Here angle 2 plus angle 2, 2 times of angle 2 equal to 180 degrees. We know angle 2 equal to equation 1, 90 degrees minus angle 4. 90 degrees minus angle 4. Angle 1 plus 2 into 90, 180 degrees minus 2 into angle 4, 2 times of angle 4 equal to 180 degrees. Here plus 180, sorry, 180 180 get cancelled. Angle 1 minus 2 into angle 4 equal to 0. Angle 1 equal to minus 2 times of angle 4 comes to this side plus 2 times of angle 4. Angle 1 equal to 2 times of angle 4. It means angle 1 nothing but angle PTQ. Angle 1 nothing but angle PTQ. Angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle 4. Angle 4 is OPQ. OPQ. Here we need to prove angle PTQ equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. Both are same. Hence proved.